Hey guys, this is Thunderbolt and today I'm going to show you how to turn a spelling of a bird into a real bird. So let us begin. Okay, so first let's draw the tail. Okay, like this, the tail. And then let's draw a wing. Okay, here. And now let's take it to the R, draw two eyes, okay, and then eyeballs. Okay, so now we have to just curve its head and draw two hairs, and then this here, wings. Can you see it? Okay. And now let's draw the beak. Okay, see? And now we're almost done. Okay. So now we are almost done. Now let's draw the body. And now the legs. Okay, now the legs, and now we have to just add a shadow. Okay, after this shadow, some lines and some sweat. Okay, and then I'm done and see you guys later. Bye. Peace out.